Well, hello my fabulous people. I am Melanie Warren, also known as Teacher Melanie. Do you want to find out why you need life insurance as a single person? Stay tuned. Well, thank you for joining my fabulous people. As I said, I am Melanie Warren, also known as Teacher Melanie, Coach Mel, whatever floats your boat. On my channel, I share things as it relates to protecting your income, spending less money, getting more money, and getting your money back so you can create generational wealth. Yes, indeed. So I am so glad that you are here with me today. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell button so you know when I upload videos every week, because you do not want to miss out at all, fabulous. So today I just want to talk to you because we know the percentage of single people is higher than it is when it comes to married couple, and I just want to address basically the need of life insurance as it relates to being single. Now, oftentimes we hear life insurance, oh my gosh, it's just for final expenses, it's just for my burial, but there is so much more to it. So I just want to share 5 reasons why it's important for you as a single person to have life insurance. Okay, are you ready? Great, here we go. Number 1, you are not going to be any younger than what you are now. You hear what I said? So your next birthday, you're not going to get any younger, you're just getting more distinguished. And with that being said, how life insurance works, it is valued at basically your age and your health. And so we know oftentimes that 9 times out of 10, as you continue to progress in your life, you're not going to get any younger, you are going to get more distinguished. And so what does that mean to you? That it is going to be as cheap as it is now. So you don't want to wait until you are older to purchase it when you can get the same amount, if not more, now because you are a younger person. All right? So basically, like I said, you're not getting any younger, you are getting more distinguished though. Okay? That's number 1. Number 2, living benefits. Now, just think about it. Heaven forbid that as a single person you become diagnosed with a terminal illness. What do? You're not going to go back to work. So what is going to allow you to access, it's going to allow you to access the face amount, whatever that might be. Sometimes it's usually 40%, 50% of the face amount. And if you have $250,000, right, and you need to access that money for whatever it is, maybe it's to help you to get alternative care, maybe it's to help you to have and just enjoy your final days, or maybe it's just to help you to pay your expenses. And the wonderful thing is that you can access that money, which is called accelerated benefit. And when you access that money, you do not have to pay it back. It is not a loan. So as a single person, you're not going to be in the hospital or at home, whatever, having to go to work now, because the other thing about it is, as you are in this stage, 9 times out of 10, what ends up happening is that a lot of your benefits at work gets taken care of. But when you have your own private insurance, especially as I said, with income protection, life insurance, you can access that money without having any penalties or fees or anything of that. So it's allow you to access the living benefits. Okay, great. Number 3, protecting loved ones. Now, I'm sure there might be some people in your lives or organization that you're compassionate about, and you want to make sure that you have the ability to leave a legacy of that things that you so deeply care about. Maybe there's a loved one that, could you imagine if you had the ability that after you pass to give them a check for $250. Maybe you know they've been having a rough time. Now they have ability to pay their mortgage or their rent. Maybe now they have the ability just to live life better because of the legacy that you left. Or maybe there's an organization that you are so passionate about and you want to see this organization continue to thrive even after you have passed. It gives you that ability to leave a legacy as well as a single person, where your name goes down in history forever and ever and ever. Isn't that powerful? That right there is powerful. So you don't think about, oh, the doom and gloom of it. You think about what is it that you are able to do even as you're leaving and as you pass as well. Number 4. Now, if you have a job and you're probably saying, listen, lady, Coach Mel, I have a job. I have life insurance already with my job. What do you mean? I don't need anything outside of that. Yes, you do. Because this is the thing. As I shared with you the previous example, if you become sick, all right, or your employer decides, you know, we're going to cut some benefits, 9 times out of 10, the benefits that you receive at work is a courtesy. They don't have to offer that service at all. It is a courtesy. So you always want to put yourself in the position that you are in control. And it's so best when you have the life insurance outside of your job, because you can control it. And if something was to happen to the job, you know, we know in this space there are more people that are unemployed than it is in the Great Depression. So what does that mean for you? That means basically you always want to put yourself in a position that you are always protected privately as well. So it is important for you to have private income protection, life insurance as well, because now if you decide, oh, I'm going to wait till I'm older to get it, then it's going to be more expensive. But when you get it now, you have the opportunity to control this policy on your own terms and not have to depend on your employer. Okay? Excellent. Great. Good. Now, number 5. What does it allow you to do? It allows you to create an immediate estate. Basically, what's happening now is that your net worth is increasing. And we know that during this space, a lot of people's net worth is decreasing. And so this gives you the ability to increase your net worth. Maybe you can use it as a collateral for different things as well, but it gives you that power of ability to be in control of your money. So I am so glad that you stayed to the end, and understand, as a single person, it is essential for you to have income protection. And as I said, there's a lot of things that I shared with you on the good side, despite of it being kind of glue, but at the end of the day, you are empowered. And remember, you have car insurance, that is a piece of metal. You have cell phone insurance. You may even have your mortgage, you know, your house insurance if you own a home. All those things are just in case if something happens. It's the same thing when it comes to income protection, life insurance. This is just in case if something happens, because this is going to allow you to make sure that you build your financial house right and tight. And this is one of the foundations as it relates to building your financial house right. All right, my fabulous. So I'm so glad you stayed to the end. If you haven't done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell button. Go ahead and click it. Did you click it? All right, good job. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Now listen, like I always say, if you don't make sure you don't have now I say if you don't, but let me say this. When it comes to building for your financial house right and tight, it is important that you seek proper guidance. Wealthy people have financial coach, and you are on that journey to becoming wealthy. So make sure you build your house right and tight. I would love to schedule an appointment with you so you can find out how I can help you with your goals and dreams and making sure that you build your financial house right and tight. Okay? Also, I am always looking for some crusaders who want to join me in helping others to become financially independent, as well as you're helping yourself, which is a win, because when you help somebody get what they want, you will get what you want. All right, so join me on this crusade. Go ahead and book a call with me so I can help you with your goals and dreams and build your financial house right and tight. All right, my fabulous. So like I always say, remember to pray, plan, and believe, because God is still in the business of doing miracles. Make it a great day. Bye.